This begins with Gabriel Sanders, who's rocking on at age 5. Happy birthday, Gabriel, with love from Mamo.
All right, and we've got Gunnar Burton, who's 7 strong this year. Looks like he's having fun at the beach. Love to join you there. In Columbus.
Geyer Humble celebrating 7 as well. Understand that Geyer goes by the nickname of Birdie. I like the get up there, Geyer. Happy birthday in McCune.
All right, and Cooper Hodgson. Looks like the award-winning Cooper Hodgson. In Joplin is 7 strong this year. Birthday wishes coming from Dad, Mom, Aaliyah, Maylee, and Benjamin.
Willa Fecky, she is turning 8. Tell you what, Willa, that hat's going to come in handy here middle of the week right there. That's going to keep you nice and warm. Willa celebrates in Carl Junction with birthday wishes from Mommy, Daddy, and your sister.
Ah, Willa getting cuter every year. Happy birthday. All right, and then we've got Reed Prophet turning 9 years old this year. Future firefighter there in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Reed.
Jake Harris, get the driver's license ready. Old Jake turning 16. Jake, a happy birthday to you in Jasper.
And in Columbus, Kiona Frobish celebrating birthday number 20 this year. Hope it's a great one, Kiona.
Caleb Riddenauer with a 20th birthday and a nice catch right there. Pretty impressive picture there, Caleb. He had birthday over the weekend. He is in Pittsburgh.
All right. In Jasper, Jacob Jennings celebrating birthday number 32 this year.
All right, Peter Conk, the big 4-0 right there. And I tell you what, I got a birthday message here from Mama, Paul Pepper, and Auntie Bugcock that not only do they love you, but Peter, they cannot believe that you are 40. Welcome to the club, my friend. A happy birthday in Joplin.
All right. Speaking of welcome to 40, yeah, Ira, I cannot believe this, already 40. Harina Ira celebrating birthday number 40 this year. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Ira. Jonathan Hauschel is 41. Jonathan, a happy birthday in Carthage.
And Tessie Riddenauer celebrating a birthday over the weekend, now 43 years old in Weir. Hope it was a great one, Tessie.
Nicholas Ibarra, a happy birthday as he is celebrating number 49, and these birthday wishes coming from your fiance, Teresa. That picture you see right there, that is the actual Green Goblin from Maximum Overdrive. Do you remember that movie, Tanya?
Maximum Overdrive?
Yes. It's a Nicholas, if you're a huge fan of Maximum Overdrive, then I'm glad you're a huge fan of it. Emilio Estevez was the star, if you will.
I'd probably have to go back and check it out. Yeah. It's not ringing a bell, but that's pretty cool. Cool truck. First I thought that was his truck. That'd be really cool. Happy birthday, Nicholas. Let's see, Jen Cam turning 67 years old. Pretty floral background there behind Jen in Chanute.
Lonnie Yarnell is celebrating his 74th birthday. Lonnie, a very happy birthday to you, my friend, in Erie.
All right, and we've got a belated anniversary wish going out to Randy and Patty Robeson, celebrating 50 years together over the weekend. I hope you had a wonderful celebration in Columbus.
Got a couple of birthdays in Parsons that we got to pass along. One of those is Miss Barbara Ellen Clark. Miss Clark is celebrating her 80th birthday. And Barbara Ellen, I hope you have a marvelous, marvelous birthday. And Kaylin Amundsen, she is celebrating her 57th, and she is in Parsons as well. Let's wrap it up with a very happy birthday wish for one Bill Greenlee. Mr. Greenlee celebrating number 72 in Commerce. And Bill, these happy birthday wishes come with love from John and Sue. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this final day of January. That's where you can turn them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website at KOAMNewsNow.com. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM birthday clubs today.